Hello, this is Iris for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. So this is an amazing period, believe me, because we have the sun in Sagittarius, and which means that it's the moment really to get your purpose ready for the future. What am I doing here on this earth, And this purpose is always a part of the bigger purpose. The bigger purpose of humanity is really to live in peace and harmony, and really to make a jewel of this beautiful planet Earth that we are using to live upon in this third dimension. And if we all have our purposes very clear, it always matches with the collective purpose of humanity. Now we are very far out of the concept of humanity because we are consuming our planet. It has never been the purpose. It has never been the collective purpose to consume the planet or consume our bodies. And that's why it is very important that this feminine principle comes in here. And it's a wild principle that says, no fucking way. We need to take back the power of the female. And the power of the female is the spirit power, is the invisible. And it's time for us to get on our horses and to have that purpose and to take the ball and just to aim to the purpose. The purpose has to be clear. Otherwise, there is no success. Because your arrow will point towards what if there is no purpose? So the purpose has to be clear. So in these times, get your ass ready and get your purpose done before March, because there will be 5 moons, new moons, who will follow each other, and it will be power moons. So each new moon, you can set a new purpose, okay? And you can start already today. And one of the things also is that we just had an awful period of a lot of emotions that was stirring up the shadow sides of ourselves. And I hope you really looked at these shadow sides, because you don't want to repeat it in the future. Okay, so your aim is a pure aim, So what I would suggest is that 5 minutes a day before you start your day, you just remember why you are here on this planet Earth. Just figure that out. Isn't that a good one? It's like, oh gosh, it's really a good period before Christmas Eve, before you see family and friends, because it's going to be very important to express that purpose, your purpose of life. This period is a very, very powerful period, because now it is, we wasted a lot of time, to be honest, as a human family. And it's really time we accept that we are a whole, we are people who are one, that we are unity. We are not separated anymore. And when the feminine comes in, there is no separations. We need the feminine to bond together. We need these intuitions. We need this alchemy to bond the human family together as one. And man, we need our masculinity to proactive, to just take actions. This is the time we take actions as how do you say it, a wild woman, to be honest. The wild woman is taking actions. So the woman and the man, the women and the men are working together on this. Is very important. So what I would suggest in these times is that you gonna work with your fire, because it's gonna be a firing period, because you're gonna wake up and you will see things that you don't like, and you will be mad about people, you will be mad about yourself that you've done things that you don't want to do, and so on. One of the things is, make it clear, just be sure that you are pure in this period. Instead of judging others, you just focus your attention on your purpose of life, your soul purpose. Okay? And this is not the same thing as your neighbor or as your idol or whoever. You are unique and you have a unique purpose. And it's very important to describe it, to maybe fantasize it, to imagine it, but most of all, to feel it, so that you can bring in your future. And it's like a tree. It's like a tree who's getting new leaves. When the old, when the old falls, the new is already there. There's a new injection of the new who comes in to the branches, and the branches automatically, they renewal. All the leaves are falling down in the fall here in Belgium. So that's what we are doing now with our emotions. There is a wildness of emotions, a wilderness of emotions that is ready. These are new colors, new emotions, new feelings who are waiting to come out and to be expressed, so that the old ones can fall apart. That's the message. Just be ready. Be ready for the changings, and feel the changings in your body. Okay, and I wish you, because we just had Thanksgiving, which is really a good base to be thankful, to bring the future into your heart, okay? Bring that consciousness and, reclaim your power as a woman. I'm sorry, it's also for men. Reclaim your female power, okay? And that's how we can change the world. That's what we need, because this is the missing link to really restore the balance. And the balance is always between the masculine and the feminine. We need both to grow and to recreate, okay? So this is my message. We have a mantra that we sing, and I will post it in another video. And this is a mantra where you can reinforce your energy field. We work with the green Tara, and that's goddess. It's an Indian Vedic goddess, but you can see her as Eir. Is in fact a Celtic goddess. And that Celtic goddess, she looks like a warrior, a light warrior on a horse with a beautiful light blade, and she protects you and she encourages you to be your soul, or to fulfill your soul purpose, okay? So I wish you beautiful days of light, I would say, and just enjoy the renewal. Just enjoy your inner light. And I hope to see you in January. Have a nice month. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, hi.